All right, this is the original service elevator at our hotel I'm staying at, and look what we got. Completely original Mitsubishi elevator. Completely original. This is awesome. I usually take a round trip on this. We don't get off here. Wow, my very first completely original Mitsubishi. This is awesome. My very first original from 1981. And these travel about, I think, 350 feet per minute. Please remember, this is being done with permission. Do not trespass in areas you're not allowed in. Classic level, and here's the Mitsubishi sign. Now I want to go down to the, I go down to the lowest floor, and then we'll get off at 1. Anyways, we'll get a cab view now. Cab is original. We do not get off on any other floors. Usually when I do my videos, I take round trips on these elevators. These are fixtures. I've never seen these original fixtures before. Guess no one's coming in.
No?
Yeah, no one's coming. 30 million views this time. And I just hit 15,000 subscribers. I love these buttons. Completely original. I don't get to see stuff like this. Can we end the video at our room on level 15? We want to get off there. Is that okay? Oh, we want to end the video at 15th floor. That's where we get off at. That's where our room is.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay with you? Yeah, I like to do that. And just to make a celebration to my 15,000 subscribers I just reached on YouTube. A big thanks to all of you guys. And a huge thanks to the fine folks at the Ambassador Hotel for allowing us to ride your service elevator. I would have never thought of doing this video special. Again, there your view of the fixtures. Boy, my ears are popping. There's your, I wonder what kind of lock that is. Andrew, do you know? And I'm not sure. I don't think there's a phone in here. I film the door closing when I'm done. Here it goes. And with that said, that'll be it.